everybody, thanks for tuning in. I'm Jason Yoder. Welcome to my channel, and tonight we are going to try and capture, hopefully, an epic picture of the icon of the Southwest, the Saguaro cactus.
I can be with you wherever, stay at home or in a foreign land. I can stay like this forever, 'cause I got the world in my hand.
Sorry about any noise from the road, but I'm right against one. The park I was going to park in, they closed the gates about 30 minutes before sunset, which is roughly where we're at right now. So I had to kind of change positions here. But what I've got going right now in the camera is the sun setting between a saddle and the mountains, and right there in the middle is the Saguaro cactus. So I'm hoping the sun drops right on top of it. No idea if it's going to, but it's going to be close. So tonight I am shooting bracketing because I'm going straight into the sun. I'm hoping to save a little bit of color. Truth be told, I was hoping to be shooting a monsoon tonight, but we are in perfectly clear skies, so we're gonna have to try and find some way of making this interesting. That's why I'm shooting up against this mountain. We are definitely battling some lens flare here. I am at the maximum range that my 200 can go, and it's not resolving the cactus as well as I had hoped to. I'm definitely battling some lens flare tonight. I took the protective cover, the UV cover, off my zoom lens to try and reduce the glare and the lens flare. It is helping out tremendously. Kind of rushing a little bit because the sun's about to drop below the horizon. Let's get this pano done. Well, for this photo shoot, probably the most interesting thing is the golden light in the sky right now. So that's what I'm trying to focus on. Get a little silhouette of the mountain, maybe some of the saguaros, and then that big golden sky. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I was really hoping that I'd be able to get a monsoon tonight, but we are in crystal clear skies. The reason why I really wanted to shoot a monsoon is that, well, last year I didn't have much of a chance. Really, I only got I had one chance, and now that we've entered monsoon season, those images are selling. Those images are selling. So I want to make sure that I capture more of them while I'm here in Arizona during the monsoon season. So hopefully within this next month we get the weather pattern that produces the monsoons, and I can get some awesome storm shots. But anyhow guys, I just actually finished a workout at the gym. I'm hot and I am going to go back and get myself some dinner. Thank you again for watching. Click that subscribe button, and if you really want to help me out, also give me a thumbs up as well. I appreciate it. You all have a good night, and remember, never stop exploring.